Hello and welcome to the Algebra Solver, the free Algebra Solver equation available at MCS So without further ado, let's get started. Now this works left-hand side, right-hand side of an equation. So on the left-hand side, let's say we have 8 plus x, and the right-hand side, say we have 15. So in this case, it gives us the correct answer for x equals 7. Let's move on to one with x on both sides. So let's say we have 4 minus x on the left-hand side of the equal sign, and then 12 plus x on the right-hand side. Again, it gives us the right answer. Now let's move to a fractional expression. Let's do 3 divided by x on the left-hand side, and then 20 on the right-hand side. Again, the right answer. So let's do one a little more complicated. This one will be a rational expression. And I'm going to enclose the numerator because there's a plus sign there. I'm going to close it in parentheses. So it'll be 5 plus x, that quantity, divided by 5 on the left-hand side, equals, and then x over 3 on the right-hand side. Great, gives us the right answer again. Now for the final one, let's have x as an exponent. Let's do 5 raised to the x equals 125. There you go. Again, this is available at mcstutoring.com for free.